Hi guys, today we talk about how can you add your city on your PaybyPhone app. We will to figure out the solution on how you can do that on your app. So you just follow this ways, then it's going to work with you. All you have to do, just go above this sign, click on it here. So then it's going to show for you a list like this here. Then all you have to do, so you just click here on account settings, click on it here. You just click on account settings, it's going to take you to this list. It's going to show for you like this. Then you click here on personal information here. So then you go down, just come here to city here, and here add your city here. You just here add your city. So then you go down here, just click here on save. Then it's going to save with you on your PaybyPhone app. That's all you have to do. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking and subscribe.